So, a lot of businesses are getting their hands on these incredibly powerful new AI tools, but they're running into a huge problem. How do you take a general, off the shelf AI and turn it into a genuine expert that actually works for your business? Well, let's break down exactly how you do that.
Okay, so you've got a new AI agent. It's exciting, right? It seems so smart. It can reason, it can understand language. But here's the catch. Right out of the box, it knows literally nothing about your company, your goals, your products, your customers. It's a total blank slate. You have this amazing resource just sitting there, but its potential is completely untapped. So the big question is, what's next?
You know, the best way to think about it is this. An untrained AI is like a brand new hire on their very first day. They've got some general skills, sure, but their answers can be vague, a little broad, or sometimes just plain wrong for your situation. But a trained AI, that's totally different. That becomes your custom expert. It's consistent, it's accurate, and it's ready to handle the really complex stuff.
And that's really the heart of the issue with our new hire, isn't it? Raw potential just isn't the same as effective performance. An untrained AI can reason, absolutely, but without your specific data and your goals, it's basically reasoning in a vacuum. It's missing all the context it needs to be genuinely useful to you.
So, how do we bridge that gap from potential to actual productivity? Well, that's where training comes in. Training is the process that gives the AI the guidance, the knowledge, and maybe most importantly, the boundaries it needs to start working effectively for you. And when you get this training part right, it pays off in three core benefits that can seriously transform your business operations. Let's break down what these benefits really mean for you. First, you get consistency. This means the AI always uses your brand's voice and follows your company's rules every single time. Then you get accuracy. By giving it your own data, it provides up-to-date, correct answers, not just generic info it found somewhere online. And finally, capability. A trained AI can handle complex, multi-step workflows, not just basic question and answer stuff.
So, how do we get there? It all comes down to a really straightforward three-layer training plan. The easiest way to picture it is to think of it as the official onboarding process for your new AI teammate.
And this onboarding plan is pretty simple. First, we give it a rule book, a set of core instructions. Next, we provide the knowledge base, basically all the company files and info it needs to do its job. And finally, we conduct ongoing performance reviews to keep making it better and better.
Okay, layer one. This is the rule book, and in the AI world, we call it system prompting. This is where you define the AI's personality, its goals, and all the non-negotiable rules. Things like always maintain a helpful tone or never make promises about future products. You're setting the fundamental ground rules here.
Now, with the rules in place, the AI needs information. That brings us to layer two, the knowledge base. If the rule book tells the AI how to act, the knowledge base tells it what to know. You're basically feeding it your internal documents, your product manuals, your FAQs. This is the raw material for every single accurate answer it's going to give. And finally, we have layer three, the performance reviews. This is absolutely critical because training isn't a one-and-done thing. It's a continuous feedback loop. You're constantly testing, evaluating its answers, and tweaking the instructions. This ongoing process is what builds a truly reliable and trustworthy AI over time. Okay, so we've got our three layers, the rulebook, the knowledge base, and the performance reviews. Now, let's see how this all clicks together when your AI actually gets a question from a user. So here's what's happening behind the scenes. A user asks a question. Instantly, the system prompt, that's our rulebook, kicks in to make sure the tone and behavior are correct. At the exact same time, the AI is scanning its knowledge base, searching for the most relevant facts. Then, it combines its own powerful reasoning abilities with your rules and your facts to generate a single, accurate, and on-brand response. It's pretty cool. And when you put all of this together, something really powerful happens. You've gone way beyond just having a clever tool. You've actually built a new digital teammate. And that right there is the ultimate payoff of getting this AI training right.
You know, this quote really hits the nail on the head because it captures the shift in mindset perfectly. You're not just creating a simple chatbot to answer a few questions. No way. You are building a scalable digital teammate that can handle real tasks, that can improve your customer experiences, and, just as importantly, free up your human team to focus on higher value work.
So I'll just leave you with this question to think about. For your business, with your specific challenges,
what would be the first task you'd hand over to your new digital teammate? It's pretty fascinating to think about the possibilities. Thanks for watching.